What's up everybody? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs and we build amazing vans, and we are going to get into one of these killer vans that we just got done building right behind me. And if you think, man, you are crazy, why would anyone want to build or lift a van, then this is probably not going to be the channel for you. But if it is the channel for you, smash that subscribe button. And if you get some knowledge out of this, give this video a big thumbs up. No more jibber jabbering, let's jump into the craziness of this van. The first thing on here, the elephant in the room. We know that if you have a van or like vans, that you are going to want to be able to run a bigger tire on your van. It just looks awesome. And I mean, what else can I say? What else looks awesome on this is this awesome set of wheels, which look amazing. And I think why I'm so in love with this is because we don't do so many polished wheels anymore. We definitely do a lot of black wheels. But this is gonna be the Method 304. This is the double standard, and this is gonna have the polished face and the polished ring, which it just looks sexy to me. I mean, is that crazy to think that a wheel looks sexy? And to break up all of the polished look, we did add a set of black lug nuts on there as well. And I will tell you, if you really want to get crazy and kind of add, you know, some taste to it, we have changed out the center cap. I've ran a black center cap in there before and it just looked awesome. So now let's get into the tires. We were talking about tires. This is a set of 285/70/17 tires. Now I'm going to tell you, most of your vans are not going to be able to fit this size tire on it, and yeah, I'm sorry. So unfortunately, you're going to have to come to an awesome company like Weldtec Designs, where we're going to be able to build you a lift kit that's going to be able to match the tires that you want to run. Not only is this lift kit going to give you the additional clearance, but it's also going to really improve the ride quality. And that's the big thing what we're trying to do here at Weldtec Designs, is make your van just ride that much better. So this lift that we have on here, this is our Baja grocery getter kit. And we have done this with the Fox shock. We've also, if you come in here and look, you're gonna see that we have a ton of room back here between our tire and our fender, which is really key. We have done an extended radius arm and new bracket. We also cheat that forward, the suspension forward just a little bit in order to give you additional wheel clearance on this back fender. Now, as you come up to the front, you are gonna notice that we had to do some trimming on the front fender, which is, or the front bottom part of the valance, which is no big deal. You can do that with a razor blade, and it's probably not gonna matter because later on you're gonna go to a Weldtec Designs bumper as well. You know, just throwing that out there. You know, you never know what you might want. To finish this off in the front, we did do our modified beams, and then we also added a killer Fox steering stabilizer kit. This is just a lot of fun, a lot of front suspension, a lot of things going on up in this front end kit. And if you do have any questions, I'm going to put links to the kit down below. And if you have questions, please leave them. I will be happy to answer them as well. But now we're not done yet. We're not done at all. We got to jump to the back of this and tell you how we lifted the back and how we're going to improve the ride in the back of your van as well. Now, what's really important with this kit is you have two different options with this kit. You can do the kit with blocks in the rear to give you the height. Now, it's not going to change the ride characteristics at all. It's going to pretty much ride like it did. The slight difference is going to be is that we're going to add a set of Fox shocks to control that ride a little bit better. So you will notice a slight improvement going to the blocks. Now on this particular van, we went a step above that, and this is our Baja grocery getter kit, or our complete performance package, where we are also doing our progressive spring in the rear. The big difference in this spring pack is it's going to be 6 to 7 leafs depending on your van, with a negative overload, which is really going to be key to all this, giving you that really nice plush ride that we all want. That's really it in the rear and keeping it simple. Now, I will tell you guys one other thing. Depending on the wheel and tire that you decide to go with, in the rear is always narrower than the front on these. And I would always consider maybe adding a 1.5 inch aluminum wheel spacer, you know, on here, just to give it a little bit more room. If you're going to be doing any kind of off-roading that's going to involve a lot of like say rock crawling or just off camber articulation, just keep an eye on that your tire is not rubbing the inside of your wheel well. That's my little tip in this video. Otherwise, this van is just amazing. I do love that it is going to also have just the chrome bumpers on here. It looks sweet. I'm going to say the only thing is it does look like a fishbowl, and hopefully they're going to tint the windows or do something on the inside. It's completely gutted, so it's just ready to have a whole bunch of fun in there. And that's it. That's all I've got. This is hopefully just round one of this van. This is our Baja grocery getter kit, and when we do the rear springs, we're calling that our complete performance package. So if you have questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, big thumbs up. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I'll see you guys in the next video.